Hello everyone, welcome to Chemistry Content Library for Grade 10. In this video, let us revise the types of chemical reactions with the help of a mind map. Here are the learning objectives. We are learning to identify the components of a chemical reaction, define a chemical reaction, classify the chemical reactions based on the reactants and products. Here is a mind map on types of chemical reactions. The first branch deals with chemical reactions, its components and definitions. Reactants and products are the components of a chemical reaction. Reactants are the substances that undergo change during a chemical reaction. Products are formed as a result of a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction can be defined as the process in which reactants are converted into products. It is also the process in which bond breakage and bond formation take place between the molecules. The second branch deals with combination reaction. In this reaction, a single product is obtained from two or more reactants. An example is the reaction between calcium oxide and water to give calcium hydroxide. The third branch deals with decomposition reaction. In this reaction, two or more products are obtained from a single reactant. There are three types of decomposition reaction, which include thermal decomposition, electrolytic decomposition, and photolytic decomposition. Thermal decomposition reaction takes place in the presence of heat. An example is the decomposition of ferrous sulfate to give ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide, and sulfur trioxide. Electrolytic decomposition takes place in the presence of electricity. An example is the electrolysis of water to give hydrogen and oxygen. Photolytic decomposition takes place in the presence of light. The examples include decomposition of silver chloride and silver bromide. These two reactions are used in black and white photography. The fourth branch deals with displacement reaction, where a highly reactive metal displaces a low reactive metal from its solution. An example is the displacement of copper from copper sulfate by iron. The fifth branch deals with double displacement reaction, where there is an exchange of ions between the reactants. An example is the reaction between sodium sulfate and barium chloride to give barium sulfate and sodium chloride. Barium sulfate is formed with a white precipitate in this reaction. Hence, it is also called as a precipitation reaction. And the last one is redox reaction. It is the reaction in which oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously. Oxidation. It is the addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Reduction. It is the addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen. In the reaction between copper oxide and hydrogen, copper oxide is reduced to copper and hydrogen is oxidized to water. I hope the concept is clear to everyone. The homeplay is to study the mind map and draw it in the science drawing book. So dear children, we will meet with another topic. Thank you.